This is how to separate the top and bottom of your Mirrix loom. You would need to do this to replace your clips, add a second set of clips, add loom extenders, for storage, travel, or various other reasons. The top half of the loom with the top beam and copper sidebars slides onto the bottom half of the loom with the bottom beam and the threaded rod. The top sits on top of the bottom so the loom can be extended in length and, when warped, tension can be put on the loom. Simply pull on the top beam of your loom to separate the top half from the bottom. You may need to hold down the bottom beam of the loom with your foot or other hand to pull the halves apart. If you need to remove your wooden clips, once the halves are separated, simply pull your clip down and off the copper sidebar of the loom. Depending on the age of your loom, there may be a flanged bushing in the copper that will come out of the clip. Place this back inside the copper after replacing or adding a new clip. To put the loom back together, simply slide the top of the loom back onto the bottom.